Have you ever pondered the mysteries of the fourth dimension? It's a concept that boggles the mind and challenges our understanding of the universe. Brace yourself for an enlightening exploration into the realm of the four-dimensional world. First, let's establish an understanding of dimensions. A dimension is a measure of physical extent, whether that's length, width, or height. We humans are three-dimensional beings living in a three-dimensional world. Our understanding of space revolves around these three dimensions. But what if I told you that there's more beyond these familiar dimensions? Yes, we're talking about the elusive fourth dimension. Now imagine a world that exists beyond length, width, and height. A world where we can see all points in time from the beginning to the end. This is the fourth dimension. It's not a new place to go to, but a new direction to look in. It's a realm where time, as we understand it, ceases to be linear and becomes just another spatial dimension. To better grasp this concept, consider a book. When you're reading, you're moving through the book in one direction, from the first page to the last. But what if you could see all the pages at once? That's what the fourth dimension is like. It's a perspective that encompasses all points in time simultaneously. Now you might be thinking, but isn't time the fourth dimension? Well, you're not entirely wrong. In physics, the fourth dimension often refers to time in the theory of relativity. However, it is crucial to remember that time in the fourth dimension is not the same as the time we experience. In the fourth dimension, time behaves more like space, and it's possible to move forwards and backwards in time, just like you can move right or left in space. So what have we learned about the fourth dimension? It's a measure of physical extent that goes beyond length, width, and height. It's a realm where time behaves like space, and all points in time exist simultaneously. It's not just a new place, but a new perspective, a new direction to look in. But the question still remains, is everything determined? If we could see the entire timeline of the universe, does that mean that our futures are already fixed? The fourth dimension remains a fascinating mystery, a concept that pushes the boundaries of our understanding and perception. It's a testament to the complexity and beauty of the universe we live in. So next time you're looking at the world around you, remember, there's more than meets the eye. So let's delve deeper into the question of a predetermined future and what will be the scope of free will in the fourth dimension. Imagine a world where all points in time exist simultaneously. Would our future still be a mystery? Or could we see it laid out before us like a highway stretching into the distance? If we can see all points in time, do we have the power to alter our future? Or is it already set in stone, unchangeable? These are profound questions that challenge our understanding of free will and destiny, adding another layer to the fascination of the fourth dimension. Have you ever experienced or felt like that something that happened to you was destined to happen in this way? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos on science, mysticism, philosophy, and religion.